Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany for those of you who are new, and today I'm going to be doing my Ulta and Sephora haul. So these are all pretty much products I've accumulated over the past month or so, and I'm going to be starting off with the Sephora products just because I don't have as many, which is pretty surprising because I do not buy a lot from Ulta typically. So yeah, if you want to see my products from Sephora and Ulta that I picked up recently, then stay tuned. So the first item that I picked up from Sephora was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette, which looks like this. And I picked it up while it was a weekly wow, so it was only 32 bucks, which was $10 off, which I thought was a pretty good deal. And honestly, I couldn't resist. I really do love the Anastasia palettes. I own 4 other palettes, not including this one. The Modern Renaissance, of course, is hands down like favorite palette pretty much all time. So when I saw this palette went on sale, I had to have it in my collection. So the next 2 products I picked up are foundation, and they are the new Giorgio Armani Face Fabric foundations. So I picked up 2 colors in the shade 8 and 9 because I was planning on doing a like first impressions or a video on these guys, but honestly I think the 8 is a little bit too dark, so the 9 is definitely way too dark. So we'll see how this goes. I may or may not do a video on this. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel, you know, if you want to see that. But yeah, so there's that. Next, I picked up the Ordinary Salicylic Acid. So as some of you may or may not know, Sephora just started carrying the Ordinary online. And this salicylic acid solution only costs, I think it was like $5.30, under $6. So I thought, why not? I've only used it one time and I'm not sure how I feel about it. So I'll probably continue using it and see. It's supposed to help like with blemishes. It says on here, salicylic acid 2% solution for blemish prone skin, which I do occasionally get breakouts here and there. So we'll see how it goes. The first time I did try it, I don't know how to feel about it. So I may or may not get back to you guys on this. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So the last item that I picked up from Sephora was these Sephora Collection Luxe Lashes in the style Amour. And these are honestly one of my favorite purchases that I picked up so far from Sephora this year. I've worn these lashes I think about like 4 or 5 times. Probably, yeah, about 5 times so far, and they still look really pretty. And they're just like this. They have that nice like 3D effect, so all the like lashes are like layered and stacked. It's just really nice, and the lashes are pretty good quality. I'll probably end up picking up a couple more pairs in the style specifically just because I love the way these look on my eyes. And for some reason I've been like really like on a big lash kick. So you'll see in my Ulta haul that I picked up some more lashes as well. So speaking of lashes and getting my Sephora haul over with, I went over to Ulta and I went a little bit crazy with the lashes. I picked up 6 pairs of lashes, and they're all from Allure. So the first pair that I picked up was these Jasmine Brown lashes right here. I just thought they were really pretty. They were just kind of like dramatic, so I thought I'd give them a go. And I don't really wear lashes that often, so I thought I'd just get started and get in the swing of everything. And then the next pair of lashes that I picked up was from the Luxe collection. So it's just these right here, and I just of course thought these were super pretty, so that's why I picked them up. And then I got a pair of Luxe collection lashes again, but these are the Vegas Nay style lashes. So what I liked about these was they looked a little bit more natural than the pair that I just showed you, which were kind of dramatic. So I've worn these one time. I think I wore them in a video. I think I wore these actually in the Kat Von D lip swatch video. So if you want to see how these look, be sure to check out that video there. And then the last pairs or set of lashes I picked up are these right here, which are just the Allure Wispy lashes, which is what I have on right now. Just nice, super just natural, like a good everyday lash. So the next few items I picked up from Ulta are all from Maybelline, and 2 of them are foundations. So I've just been seeing tons and tons and tons and tons of videos on the new Maybelline Super Stay foundation. So of course I picked it up, and so far I've been really loving this foundation. I've worn it a couple times in some videos. I think I wore this actually on my Valentine's Day video slash date night video. So if you want to see how that looks, check out that video, of course. And then right now I am wearing this foundation right here, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. And I've just been hearing a lot of good things about this foundation just over the past year or so. So I decided to pick it up. I have it on right now. So I don't know. This is like my first time wearing it. So we'll see how this goes. I'm not completely sold on this foundation, but I love, love, love this foundation. So we'll see if I end up liking both or just the one. And then the next item that I picked up from Maybelline, and also the last Maybelline item that I picked up for this Ulta haul, Sephora haul, is the Master Chrome Highlighter. I've just been seeing this again everywhere, and everybody's been ranting and raving about the highlighter. And as you can see, it's super pretty. And when I saw it in Ulta, I swatched it and it just felt so creamy and smooth. So that's when I knew I had to go pick it up. So the next 2 items that I have for the Ulta haul are both powders. So I picked up the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder, and honestly this powder is amazing. I've been using it ever since I picked it up, which is about a couple weeks ago, and I wear makeup about 4 to 5 times, maybe even 6 times a week. So I've been wearing this one pretty much every day and using it to set my foundation and concealer, and I can honestly say that I really, really like it. The reason I picked this up was because I do love my Sacha Buttercup powder. However, I feel like that one can be a little bit too yellow sometimes, and I wanted something that was going to be a little bit lighter. And then of course I've tried the Midnight Banana Powder in the past, and I haven't been a huge fan of it. So this powder definitely takes the cake, and it's only $8. Like, what? Who knew that I would like a powder that only costs $8? Just saying. So if you're interested in picking up a nice banana powder, this one is a really good one to try. And the next powder that I picked up is the MAC Studio Fix Powder in NC45. This powder is like, I don't know, holy grail status. I don't know what's in it. It's like a magical powder. It's really beautiful, soft, and it just adds a decent amount of coverage. So what I do with this powder is I just apply my foundation, and then I kind of just lightly sweep this powder over it, and it just makes my face just look so flawless and seamless. It just literally makes your skin look airbrushed. I don't know what is in this powder, but literally I've never tried a powder that's as good as this one. So if you're looking for like an all over face powder that just gives you a look, well, I mean, it gives you a little bit more than a little coverage, but gives you some coverage, and then also makes your skin look baby, like smooth and just flawless and poreless, this one is amazing. So I also picked up a couple of lip products from Ulta. So I'm not really a big gloss person, but I saw somebody wearing one of these glosses on Instagram, so I went in store and of course I picked up a couple of them. You know, you can't just have one. So I have 2 of the NYX lip butters right here, and I did use them in a previous video, and I can honestly say I actually like these. They smell nice. They have a decent amount of color, but not too much color, and they just feel really nice and hydrating on the lips. So the shades that I picked up was Praline, which is this one right here, which is kind of like a pinky brown, and then this one right here, which is Ginger Snap, which is kind of like a nice, like deeper brown gloss. So the next item that I picked up, which was definitely a more recent purchase, and by recent I mean I picked it up today, which is the Makeup Revolution Concealer. And the Ulta that I went to didn't really have that many shades left. Like literally I think this was like one of the last few shades that was available, and then there were like some other like really dark shades available. So this is in the shade C9. I used it today, so if I look like extra highlighted and everything, you know why. Everybody has been comparing this concealer to the Tarte Shape Tape, and I can say they are pretty similar. The wand is literally just as big and huge, and it gives a decent amount of coverage. However, I'm not a big concealer person, so I'm not sure if I like this just quite yet. Like I said, I just purchased it today and I'm wearing it today, so we'll see how this goes. We may or may not see this coming up in a future video. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not a concealer person, so I'm not 100% sold on it just yet. But so far, so good. So the last few items that I picked up from Ulta are brushes. So everybody knows, or most of you know, that Ulta just started carrying Morphe brushes. And Morphe brushes are super cheap, super affordable, and pretty good quality. So of course, when I saw they had the Morphe brushes, I had to pick some up. So I picked up 5 brushes, and I think it was only around like $21, $23, literally for 5 brushes, which is amazing because literally one brush from Sephora or MAC or basically anywhere else could be like $23. So I picked up 2 of these brushes right here, and this is the M421, and it's just really a nice flat concealer brush, and this is what I use when I normally do my cut creases. So I just picked up 2 because I only had 1, and I figured why have 1 when I can have 3. And then I picked up this brush, which I currently do not own. And well, I mean, actually I own it right now, but I didn't own it previously. And this one is the M507. So it's just a nice kind of like really skinny tapered blending brush. It's just really pointy, and it looks like it'll just get everything like right precise in the crease. So I picked that one up. Then I picked up this one, which is the M124. It's just similar to that concealer brush, but it doesn't have like the duo fiber, or yeah, the duo fiber. So I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for. I might end up using it for cut creases as well, or I might use it as a lip brush. And then of course I picked up the M443, which of course is a fluffy blending brush. I mean, you can never have too many blending brushes. So I picked up one of these. I think I already have 2 of these in my collection already. So I just picked up another one. I mean, we all need blending brushes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Sephora and Ulta haul. So please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I just wanted to take the moment to thank all of you guys who have already subscribed to my channel for helping me reach 3K. Super excited. So I will be doing a giveaway soon. So if you made it to the end of the video, please be sure to comment in the comment section below and tell me what you want me to give away for my 3K giveaway. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and goodbye.